Hello, good people. Today we are here doing some shopping. I want to test your mind for a minute. I won't tell you in which store we are because I want you to guess. But before we even do that, I want to welcome you to our channel today. Most welcome as we walk together. Look at different stuff in this store and you drop a comment. By just looking at what we have here, you might be able to know which store we are at. Which store is this? Which supermarket is this? Just a hint that it's somewhere in Virginia in the United States of America. Okay? See this? See that? See that? See all that? So that's what's going on here. So welcome to our channel. If you are new here, please consider subscribing, like the video, drop a comment about anything that you realize is worth commenting on this video. Look at the fish. Look at the fish. Man, look at the fish. Very fresh. Okay, so yeah, comment on the video and also hit that notification bell so that you get to know. And if you love meat, this is also a meat place. A lot of meat. Lot and lots of meat, I'm telling you, including grass-fed, American raised, as you can see, as well as there, minced meat. If you make samosas, if you like doing some, just frying as a stew made of minced meat, or however you want to cook it, this is the place to be. But the question is, where exactly are we? Because we even have some cakes, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that. That's chocolate cake. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Where are we? Okay. And after eating all the meat and all the cakes and everything else, you can come here and get yourself some wine. Okay. Very, very delicious, nice, sweet wine you can get in this store. Ooh. I see some there that I've never seen before. Let me see which one this is. It looks like it's closed. That one, it's called Piper. Ooh. Some of the best wine in the world can be found in this store, in this shop. For those who speak the United Kingdom English, the British English. Okay, so guys, we are here. So I think we already welcomed you and asked you to subscribe to the channel. This is your channel. This is the channel that you need to be coming to every now and then and get some very entertaining stuff here. We also got mangoes. We got everything. Indeed, here you can get pretty much anything you want, apart from a car, maybe. Okay, so let me let you enjoy the view of this store, and then we talk later. You can drop a comment if you know, if you can guess where exactly we are. See, beautiful dresses for kids, young girls, beautiful clothes for everybody. All that very good stuff right here. Okay, I said I wanted to give you a chance to just watch, but I feel like talking, especially when I see these beautiful flowers. See guys, look at that. Beautiful flowers. Beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful. You can hear that my fellow customer saying the lines are very long in the front. Maybe she just thought so, because I don't think they are really, because the line that I'm in is for people that have fewer staff to check out, and usually it moves very fast, moves quite fast, because people don't have a lot. And for the other lines, you can see the people that have got a lot of stuff, they line up on the other queue, and they are not many. So the good thing about this store also is that it's very efficient. Like the checkout is top notch. It's almost unbelievable, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah. Okay, so I leave you with the sights and sounds of this store.
Place your item in the tray. Please begin scanning.
Oh, buddy,
39.
excuse me, sir.
Place your
Need some
item in the tray.
for beer?
I don't have any scanner.
No. And also, I wanted to pay for my
34.99.
membership. Can I do it
You
here?
wouldn't be able to do it here. That's past due.
Can I use a check here?
Nope, it's only debit or credit.
So I have to go to the customer care.
In order to renew it early, you have to go to membership. Otherwise, you'd have to wait till it's past due. Only when it's past due, it'll pop up and tell you that you need to renew, and then you would be able to renew it.
What about the check?
For the check, it would have to be a regular register or membership.
Ah. So even if I use the check to pay,
It would have to be on a regular counter.
and I still cannot renew before it's over.
We're no longer able to renew it early on the regular floor. It has to be at the membership. They have the better information to properly renew it.
I got you. Okay.
But you're all set as far as these two are done.
Okay. Thank you then.
Follow the instructions on the pin pad. Thank you for shopping at Costco. Please remove all scanned items. Please
Thank you. Okay guys, so drop a comment there in the comment section. We are out here. I'm not gonna tell you which store that was until you drop comments there, and then we can discuss in the comment section. How is that? All right, from us, goodbye for now. See you. See, the video is misbehaving. I will see you later. Bye.